I'm Natalie Randall, co-creator of Artifacts. At Artifacts, we get our inspiration from the classics and the natural world. We try to balance the character and integrity of antiques with the freshness of contemporary design. When I say we, I'm not just talking about Greg and me. I'm referring to the whole tribe that is Artifacts. The talented, passionate craftspeople that we work shoulder to shoulder with every day. Everybody that works for us is an essential part of our story. If you look around our space, you see that we're celebrating art, architecture, and proportion. We're inspired by history. When we buy an antique piece, we're attracted to the form, the quality, and the soul. What do we want our clients to see in our work? The form, the quality, and the soul.
These are such a labor of love.
What makes coming to our shop an exciting experience? It's probably the element of surprise and the unexpected. It's what we call the Quirk Factor. Even though we honor the classics and the history, we try to make it fun.
Oh yeah, we do this little fist
What do we do? Let's see what you do. That's a good one.
This is a typical thing that happens at Artifacts. There are a bunch of very funny people.
We're always listening and learning so we can make smart decisions about design today. This is an industry that's always evolving. We have to take a lot of risks. It's not about waiting to see what's coming next, but having the audacity to create it.